beating, one endless presence.
The same old song. The rivers remind us where we belong. The sky never judges, never divides. It holds every soul on this infinite ride.
And when we breathe as one, the world begins to rise. No walls between our hearts, just truth behind our eyes. We are the heart of one. We are the living breath, a single burning flame that never knows of death. We are the love returning again and again. No separation exists where the divine lives within.
One heart, one flow. We are the earth below. One love, one soul. One love, one soul.
Every tear that falls returns into the sea. Every searching soul remembers unity. And maybe healing starts right here, in the moment we replace fear with care.
What if the world could finally see we are reflections of eternity? And home is not a place to find, but the light we carry deep inside.